Hey everybody, Kevin Winkoff, Product Manager here at Dakota, and for today's product highlight, we are going over the conferences dashboard and the conference data we have in Dakota Marketplace. So after you arrive in Dakota Marketplace and you get to the conference dashboard that is located under the More tab, you'll be greeted by a row of filters to help you customize for the exact conference list you're looking for. If you already have a conference in mind that you're going to or interested in going to, you could type that conference name in here and it'll pop up if we have that installed. If you're more so browsing and you want to see what conferences are going on in your specific metro area or territory, you're able to see that here. And this is a multi-select list, so keep in mind you click more than one. Investment focus. So if you're only interested in seeing conferences that cover alts, crypto, hedge funds, long-only equities, private credit, private equity, VC, you're able to customize that here. Again, this is a multi-select. For category, if you want to see our Dakota cocktail events, investment associations, investment firm conferences, trade shows, anything along those lines, you're able to customize that there. And then format, pretty straightforward. Is this a hybrid, in-person, or virtual conference, as well as the start date. Now, as it's pretty obvious, you can see here that we have a total of 1,047 conferences that are upcoming in this fiscal year, and we already have 302 upcoming next year. If we scroll down, you'll be able to see the delineation of the upcoming conferences and the past conferences. You're able to view all into both of these. For the sake of this example in your time, I'll only jump into the upcoming conferences. Keep in mind, this is going to be the same exact layout as the past conferences as what you're seeing now. And I'm sure as many of you are aware, this layout is very similar to the All Conference tab that we have in Marketplace as well. So as you can see here, we have all the filters from the original dashboard, and you could filter on investment focus, category, format the same way you could previously, but this is only for the upcoming conferences. We have it delineated by start date in descending order of the most recent or closest approaching date. The conference name, keep in mind you could wrap the text so you can see the full name here. The conference organizer, metro area, location, the cost of this event, the address, registration links, as well as the event description, investment focus, and then the format. If we jump into one of these conferences, some data that you could expect to see on these pages, obviously the name, the key contact, is this in person, is it hybrid, is it virtual, the investment focus, all the columns, all the filters that we have on the previous pages, pretty similar to what you're seeing here. But when you're on a specific conference, you're able to see more detail on the event description, the address, the category, and you even could see who is the conference organizer of this conference. As we know here for sure at Dakota, fundraising teams only have so much time and travel budget. The conference dashboard is meant to help users and you all focus on the events that matter most to you and your team. We have so much coming soon, and we can't wait to show you all, including upcoming conference speakers. We're going to build a whole sub-tab dedicated to just filtering on specific speakers, their name, their title, the account that they're associated with, the exact conference that they're going to be speaking at, the date, metro area, and much more. Can't wait to show you all. Can't wait to hear your feedback, and thanks.